He used to narrate a scene to me and Deepika. We always used to say, "Sir, ये आपने किया है ना life में?" Because it's so real. At the same time, it is so new.
दीपिका कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप?
I've forgotten your question listening to him. Sorry.
आप एक दूसरे सवाल का जवाब दे दीजिए। खुली सड़क पे मटर गश्ती कर पाती हैं आप भारत में?
I think it depends on each individual what they want to do. I don't think there's anything that an actor can't do. I think it depends on everything that comes with being in the limelight or with being a public figure. So can he and me do matar gashti in the middle of the road? Of course we can. If we want to, of course we can. But will it be convenient not for us, but will it be convenient for people around us? Maybe not. So I think it depends on the situation.
Hi, Rashmi here from Ismalni. I just wanted to ask Imtiaz actually, this movie was originally called Window Seat, right? We had heard, and here. And now it's called Tamasha, which is a very different kind of name. So what prompted the change, and why do you think this is a more appropriate title for the
I think
film?
first it was a producer's call.
I've made Highway also.
Very often there's a working title to a script that you're writing. For instance, Jab We Met was called Train, or Love Aajkal was called Elastic. These are all working titles. You got to write it. It never really.
Saif Ali Khan and Deepika in Elastic.
Rockstar was called Rockstar. So in this case, it was called Window Seat, but it was not a title for the film. It was just a working title.
Okay.
Ranbir, Deepika, hi. Deepika, firstly, I loved your the way you come into the trailer of this film. जिस तरीके से आपने डायलॉग बोले हैं वो फिरंगी को, वैसा कुछ डायलॉग अगर मतलब विदाउट सेंसर अगर लाइव अनसेंसर्ड रियल दीपिका पादुकोण कुछ बोल के दिखा है तो मजा आ जाएगा सुनने में.
पहला चीज है
नहीं है इसीलिए. दीपिका एक बार प्लीज.
Another time.
All right. What would be that one story? You know, यहाँ पे why always the same story? What would be that one story from Ranbir and Deepika, your personal lives, जो एक बार आप फिर से दोबारा दोहराना चाहोगे?
I think the success of Ye Jawani Hai Diwani with this film, I think वो definitely दोहराना चाहेंगे.
All right, Deepika?
I have to agree with him.
Sajid Bhai also agrees. That's it.
Hi, Deepika.
I would say the experience of Tamasha.
Hi, I'm from the Bus Diary. My question is to both Ranbir and Deepika. Like in the trailer, we see you guys like. I think Ranbir has a fake life. He has gone out of a mold and doing things. Do you ever feel like that in real life as a celebrity, that you guys need to go to some place in the world and just forget about it and live like that in the movie? Like living like how it's in the movie, fake. You want to like leave everything behind and go somewhere?
Absolutely not. Nobody wants to leave anything behind. But I think in the movie, what you see, the characters Ved and Tara, when they meet in Corsica, they decide, we are here for this period of time. Let's just not give our identities out, because what happens is everything becomes routine. I will tell you who I am, you will tell me who you are, then this will happen, then I'll hit on you, and then finally we'll have an affair, and then you'll fall in love with me. So they just wanted to really have the time of their lives, and they wanted to do it with abandon, without any judgment, without anything. We all want to do that in our lives. Sometimes it's not possible, that's why we make movies about it. But I believe that whatever film Imtiaz Ali makes, he has done it in his life for sure.
Is that true?
That is true, because whenever he used to narrate a scene to me and Deepika, we always used to say, "Sir, ये आपने किया है ना life में?" Because it's so real. At the same time, it is so new. Like there is no sense of okay, yeah, we have heard of this. Yeah, ये कहीं देखा है. That's why his dialogues, his language, his moments are very new when you see them, especially the love story side of Imtiaz Ali. So, sir, have you done this in your life? Gone and lived in abandon, called people Jhand Fakir, Suar Ki Aulad?
Sir, are you a press member?
No, sir, but this is a pressing matter and I really want to know, sir.
Thank you.
Hi, Ranbir and Deepika.
Do you believe like in Bollywood में या the celebrity की life थोड़ी fake होती है, in fact, like people say, what do you believe? And what are yours? Tamasha.
It's a good question.
I can answer everything.
Okay, he said, okay. Is it fake? I don't think it's fake. I just think that, no, I would say that sometimes it probably comes with certain responsibilities, you know, and maybe then that's why one has to, you know, maybe that's why you have to carry yourself a certain way and be careful about what you say or not, depending on how each person decides to lead their own life. But for the people who do and realize that, you know, sometimes that it comes with a little bit of responsibility. You have the youth who looks up to you. You know, if you're role models for people, then I guess at some level, I think the most ideal case would be if you can live your life the way you want to and find the balance of being responsible and realizing that you have responsibilities towards your fans and the audience. So if you can find that balance, then nothing like it.
छोड़ो बोरिंग बातें साली, मस्त रहो जम के खाओ, ले लो पंगे चढ़ लो सूली, खोल दो बंधन खोल दो लस्सी, बोल दो किस्सा सभी जनों का दिल बहलाओ, शोर मचाओ मारो ठुमका, फेंक बिखेरू मन की चांदी, दिल का सोना आंख की मोती सब अर्पित है आपकी खातिर। हम आपके नौकर हैं मालिक, टाई पहनकर लिफ्ट में चढ़कर फिर आएंगे आपके आंगन, वही करेंगे जो रोज किया है, वो फिर से करेंगे फिर से करेंगे फिर से करेंगे। अच्छा बेटा, कभी इधर तो कभी उधर, अंदर क्या है, अंदर क्या है, कौन से रंग का दिल है तेरा, क्या चाहता है,
बोलो
बोलो,
जवाब दो,
जवाब दो।
Hi Ranbir and Deepika. Hello. The two of you share a sizzling chemistry in this trailer. And you know, Ranveer Singh had famously...
क्या है कि हम शॉट के पहले वो योको का सिजलर प्लेटर बुलाते थे. We should sit on it and then give our shot.
You know, Ranveer Singh had famously said that Deepika feels that her chemistry with you is the best. No. So I want to ask you, do you feel the same way? And Deepika, you also have Bajirao Mastani coming up. So if I forced you to choose, which chemistry do you think is better?
Do we always have to like pick one over the other? No, I don't think so. First of all, it was in context to something completely else and something completely different. No, I think it depends on the kind of film. I think it depends on the way the characters are written. I think it depends on what a director can extract from the two actors that he's cast. Can I compare Ranbir and me in Tamasha or Ye Jawani to Ranveer and me in Ram Leela or Bajirao? No, I can't. Because we're playing completely different characters. There is a certain kind of baggage or backstory or whatever's that required of each character, and you execute that. So I think it really depends on the film and on the characters and what the director can extract from the actors.
And Ranbir, your thoughts on chemistry with Deepika?
It's very good. And I'm extremely happy about it. But like Deepika said, you know, now it all depends on Tamasha. If people don't like Tamasha, God forbid, then people will probably think that our chemistry is not so good. You know, it's also so dependent on success, on the way we've performed, on the way the film has been perceived. So it's all film by film. But I'm really happy that, you know, people have liked our pairing together, and I hope that they continue doing so.
Ranbir, congratulations for your trailer. My question is to you, Ranbir. Here.
Here doesn't help, boss.
Hi.
Hi. The trailer is fantastic. My question to you is, you have reunited with your favorite director and favorite actors. So somewhere around, do you feel pressurized on the context of your past movies? Do you feel pressurized a little bit?
Actually, lesser, because, you know, I have such talents now. You know, it's not that I didn't have talents before. But this is like home for me. You know, working with Imtiaz is so comfortable because I know that he's looking out for me. He's directing every breath of mine because he cares for me, and he makes... you know, he brings it out to me, okay, sir, this is not good, sir, this is not good. And he'll continue to make me do better in life. Same with Deepika. I think both of them really care for me, and, you know, they really care that I do well in life. So I feel less pressure when I'm working with them. Probably when I go outside and work with people I haven't worked with, I'll feel more pressure then.
Okay, Imtiaz sir, मेरा सवाल आपसे, during Rockstar you said that Jordan character is inspired by one of your friends. So ये जो character Ranbir Kapoor का, is it inspired by some of any of your friend, or is it inspired by you? आप बता दीजिए, clear कर दीजिए.
There are many aspects in many people that have been taken into this character. It's not one person, But yes, these things I've seen in my life around me. People in this predicament or this situation. Yeah.
दीपिका मेरा सवाल आपसे है, रितेश इधर। रणबीर ने जितने भी मूवीज आज तक की हैं उनमें सबसे ज्यादा प्यार आपको किस कैरेक्टर से हुआ? क्योंकि फिल्म का प्लॉट भी लगभग उसी तरह। किस कैरेक्टर से?
किसने? किस एक्टर ने?
आपने।
मैंने।
जी। रणबीर की